Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to uninstall or delete YouTube app. Method 1. Select Apps tab from top, go down, find this Your App section. Here you can find YouTube app. Select YouTube app icon, then press and hold OK button on the remote. Select View Details. Here you can see Uninstall option. From here you can uninstall. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Select all settings from top right corner. Select apps. Go down. Select see all apps. Here you can see list of all apps installed in this device. Go down. From this list let me find YouTube. See, select YouTube. Here you can see uninstall. Select it. Select OK. Done. See, deleted. This is a method 2. These are two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.